Ninja Chef, Japanese home cooking channel. Hi, today I'm gonna make fried rice with thick sauce. This is so gorgeous. This menu originated in China and was customized by Japanese. The Japanese one is less oily and the taste is lighter rather than Chinese one. We use rice and chicken soup powder, sesame oil, soy sauce and water, egg and ground meat. First, I'm gonna create a thick sauce. Put a pot on high heat. Put in the chicken soup powder, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Adding the ginger. Then wait a couple of minutes. Putting ground meat into the soup. And again, waiting a couple of minutes. Removing the foam. Once stop the fire and adding potato starch. If you don't have a potato starch, you can use cornstarch. Then stirring the soup, and you can see the soup is getting thicker and thicker. And the thick sauce is getting ready. Next, I'm gonna make a fried rice, and first thing first, I'm gonna mix egg with pepper. Do not mix too much, like this. I'm going to fry the rice. Put a pan on high heat. Pouring lots of oil into the pan. Putting the egg and quickly putting the rice on it. After a second, mix them very quickly as you cover rice with eggs. That makes fried rice more light and fluffy. Putting the fried rice into some of the bowl to make a hemisphere shape. Finally, putting a thick sauce. If you have rice, why not try it? Thank you for watching this video. This channel will show you Japanese home cooking culture in a simple and easy and fun way. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe this channel. See you soon!